my favorite multi-surface cleaner. I almost used it all, and I do love to use it all over my house for toilet bowls, for floors, for laundry, like for a lot of different things. There are so many different purposes, and I do love the smell of it. It smells nicely, and I love that it is very large. It is 4.25 liters, which is amazing. So it lasts for a very long time. I don't even remember when was the last time I got it, because it lasts for such a long time. But I always get it for my whole family. I get it for my parents. I get it as a present for my friends, because it works for so many different purposes. And I love that it removes stuff, grease and dirt, and it deodorize, gives such a beautiful smell, and it kills all of that, dirt, and remove it. And honestly, they give you a nice instruction. I want to show you the instruction on the back of it. So in case of, if you're gonna use it, for example, for the wooden floors, they give you use 1/4 cup per gallon of water. So they give you instruction on how to use it for anything, for laundry, for toilet bowls, and what you shouldn't use it for. And I am very impressed. I love it a lot, and I'm gonna use it for a long time, for the future. An amazing product.